Hey people YouTube, this is behind the scenes with Can Do TV2 on how we made super sneezes.
As you may notice, I'm Noah, but in this video, super sneezes, I put in a strange pill and call them soup. And the pills were not actually pills, they were just sunflower seeds.
We got red and blue spray paint, you know. Is it the white pill or the blue pill or red pill? You choose.
You just gotta make sure they don't stick together.
Yeah. Turn to me. Yeah. Oh, almost got on the camera.
I would have been so angry.
Okay, though. You know, it's good enough. We're only using this for one scene, you know?
Yeah.
We're not living in this house anymore anytime soon, so I can just put us on the ground so they can dry. Yeah, by the way, we're moving. So all of our filming will be done at a new house. I don't know if this is being filmed.
Yes, it is.
There we have it. The red pills you see in the video. Right here.
Right there.
Hey, baby.
No, there's still...
Move.
There's still one more in there!
Hold on.
I knew you could get it.
I just...
Colin, I can't get my pants off.
Not, there you
It's
go.
gonna be a pain getting them back on now. All this for 2 scenes. Okay.
Okay, for magical water scene, I just splashed it on myself. Fail, right? Yeah, wait. Camera. Noah, I just made you pee your pants. How do you feel?
Pretty good. Don't splash above, remember.
What? What are we doing?
Okay, just go. It's so warm!
Ready? Okay, ready for this?
Hey, I'm Noah with Can Do TV2, and this is my friend Sheldon. He's gonna smash the rock band guitar. Go, Sheldon.